So for today's vlog, we will going to update you what's going on na development dito sa Capital Town, which is a 35.6 hectare development by none other than Megaworld. Hi future homeowners and to our existing valued investors here in Capital Town. So welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at your top realtor. So together with me to give you updates si Miss Serena, yung toliwanag, no? So we will show you around kung anong na nga ba as of 2025 yung updates dito. So let's go. So dito sa Chelsea, this one is already operational. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Chelsea. And on the ground level niya, nandito na yung Zeus Coffee. Ayan, so operational na to. And I think they would really love to expand, no? More. And sino yung potential tenant kaya natin sa ground level pa, Miss Serena?
Yes. So, ngayon po, no, although hindi pa siya sure, pero may nag-inquire na 7-Eleven.
Okay.
Dito sa retail area natin dito sa Chelsea Parkplace. So, kagandahan sa mga condo developments natin dito, Sir Alan, all of our condo developments have their own amenities and retail area on the ground
Wow.
floor.
So, once you go downstairs to your condo, there you go. You can have your cup of coffee,
yes,
convenience store, diba?
Yeah,
whatever
stores
that you need, nandito na.
Opo.
Right? So, tara, let's go. So, since this is the Chelsea, actually, yun yung sa harap natin. And dito, behind us, yung sa BPO Tower.
The PASUDECO Tower,
Yes.
or the BPO complex natin dito sa Capital Town, Pampanga,
Yes.
na mag-ooperate na this year.
This year.
Yan.
So, who are our existing tenants who already signed the contract of leasing dito?
Actually, yung alam pa lang natin, Sir Alan, is TOA Global.
TOA Global.
So, dati sila na yung office nila sa Clark, and then now, dito na, sa
San
Capital Town,
Fernando.
Pampanga.
Yes.
Because this is going to be the newest business premier district natin dito sa Central Luzon.
Wow!
Yes.
Sounds
Kaya very exciting.
Yes.
Kaya yung mga restaurants din natin, ayan, like Stanflix, yung isang European, natin dito, no, inspired restaurant natin. It's already operating from 3 p.m. to 2 a.m.
Yes.
So, for sure, yung mga other stores natin, kapag nandiyan na yung BPO, 24 hours na din sila. Just like what happened with Eastwood City and McKinley Hill, Uptown Bonifacio.
Yes. So, we're really excited sa mga development dito, no? But, ayan, almost complete na, no?
Ang bilis ng progress natin dito. Kasi nga po, no, yung San Fernando din is helping Manila to decongest, no? And talagang to migrate the opportunities here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Kaya si Megaworld din, ito yung one of their priorities in terms of the construction po sa mga townships nila.
So, this is the PPO. Usog lang tayo ng konti, no? And this is already the Montrose.
Yes.
Yan, no? Ongoing na siya.
That's the 2027 turnover naman natin na condo development. And beside Montrose is the Capital Mall and Museum.
Yes.
And they're just finalizing the design. Pero umpisahin na din po yung construction nila this year. Para next year, meron na tayong mall dito sa Capital Town. And at the same time, yung mga presyo natin tataas na, Sir Alan.
Correct. And one thing I love is, yun nga, kababa mo nga, it's already within your reach. No?
Yes.
Nandiyan na yung mall. I think yung client natin dito, sabi niya, it's the walkability, it's the access,
the convenience, the comfort,
nandiyan na lahat.
and security.
Yes. And today is almost end of March 2025. They recently opened yung Rainwater Park, which yun nga, pupuntahan natin.
Yes.
So let's go to the Rainwater Park to show you around kung ano yung progress doon. But before the Rainwater Park, so pinapa-excite lang namin kayo. So we will going to update you with the Bryant Park Lane. So behind us, yan naman yung Bryant Park Lane, no? So almost nasa finishing stage na sila.
Yes.
And this year,
mata-turnover na siya, Sir Alan.
yes.
And it's only like 14 floors with 463 units. So, pwede na din natin i-flash siguro yung sa natin, actual lobby para makita na nila.
Yes. We will going to share to you what's inside in Bryant Park Lane right now. So, we're happy to share it with you dito sa vlog namin to really appreciate what's in store investor here in Capital Town. So, what are we waiting for the Rainwater Park? Let's go! Heading to the Rainwater Park, ayan, as you can see, ginagawa na din yung sa Capital Mall and Museum. Ayan.
Diba, katabi mo lang yung mall and museum. It's just right beside your condo unit or your residential.
So, as you can see, ito, we'll show you now, we have the biking lane and jogging path here because we promote
healthy lifestyle.
Healthy lifestyle, ayan. So, madaming nagja-jogging dito sa Capital Town. So, ayun, you could enjoy this whole 35.6 hectare development na mag-jogging kayo all around dito. No, once you are a unit owner dito sa project po namin. So as you can see, it's already 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So mainit na, but here in Capital Town, we have mga trees to shade us dito, no? Hindi ganun ka super init.
No? And mahangin, fresh air.
Correct. So with this one, Megaworld promotes din yung mga greeneries, lush greeneries, diba? Para at least fresco. And yun, hindi lang puro buildings dito, but rather, Megaworld promotes talaga yung nature.
Nature, greenery, and open space.
So, part of the Rainwater Park is the mini football field. So, yan, ang ganda dito, no? Parang nasa ibang bansa ka,
Nasa ibang bansa na.
So, pwedeng tayong magsasakar-sakar football field tayo dito, no?
May mga sitting areas din, Sir Alan.
Yes.
Diba?
And, sige, punta tayo ngayon sa mismong Rainwater Park. We're in
Catch basin natin. Yes.
So, ito yung pinaka-curious yung mga client din natin, no, na binabaha ba dyan? So, for this Rainwater Park, as you can see, ayan, this will be the catchment basin.
Yes, for the storm water. Yan. So it's really going to be a 100% flood-free township development. Same with other townships naman ni Megaworld. Lahat naman po ng township ni Megaworld, flood-free tayo. But the good thing about this catchment basin, it can hold 25,000 gallons of storm water.
Ang dami nun, ha?
Yes, so, and they will recycle that po. For watering the plants, for the toilet flush. Ayan, and nagkaroon pa tayo ng 2 to 3 meters land elevation.
Oh, that's nice. And with that, actually, morning ngayon, no? So we will also at least somehow flash during the night, no? Dito. So, kung paano, very, madaming mga tao talaga dito, no? Talagang puntahan.
Madami tayong tourists,
park na that they could enjoy yung mga dito.
Yes, and napufulfill na ni Megaworld kasi ang objective po talaga ni Megaworld dito is really to be the newest premier business district at the same time the tourist destination in Central Luzon.
As we move forward, ayan, this is really a park wherein sa mga pet lovers dyan, you could walk around dito with your pets, and of course, even for your children because we have the play area here. Diba? So, ang laki ng natin ng open space dito sa Capital Town so that you could really enjoy. So, this is update for this 2025. So, don't forget to comment down below a positive and no to bashing, okay? Positive comment down below if you have further questions or if you want to invest here dito sa Capital Town, feel free to message us and yun, we will going to assist you and let's your dream property make it happen, no?
Yes.
Aside from that, we also have the gazebo, and if you've noticed, there are mga tourists already na take ng photo shoot, I believe, no?
And mga residents here in San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes. So, yun. Let's go pa sa other updates dito sa Capital Town. So, as we walk around, no, ewan ko if you've noticed as we give you updates, wala tayong mga cable, no, na nakikita because we have an underground cabling system dito. So, napakalinis tignan ng development natin dito. So guess what? Saan kaya tayo ngayon, Miss Sarina, no? So we're here at the penthouse level of Chelsea Parkplace, wherein you could have the technically 360 view
Yes.
of the whole development of Capital Town. So, wait lang. Dito, papakita namin from here. Ayan. So, this is the commercial area naman ni Capital Town.
The shop house district.
As you can see, may mga operational na dyan. We have the Stan Clicks. Ayun yun, no? Stan Clicks. Yan. And then, also may ongoing na construction. Ayan, na malapit na siyang matapos. This, oh. And then, meron din doon. How many are the,
Total shop houses, 98 po, Sir Alan.
98?
We have 98 shop houses in the 6 hectares shop house district of Capital Town, Pampanga. And currently, we still have 3 remaining commercial lots left.
Yes, so that's why message us to secure a commercial lot dito wherein you could put your own office or even your restaurants, no? Wait, there's more updates. So one of my favorites here in Capital Town is the Sam Hotel. So from this penthouse level, we could see the excavation na ngayon dito sa Savoy Hotel. So I'll show you. So as you can see, ayan, excavation na siya, and ayan yung Montreux. So katabi po niya is the Savoy Hotel. This is the 4-star hotel of Capital Town. Ayan. So I hope you've enjoyed our March 2025 updates here in Capital Town, Pampanga. So if you're interested to invest here dito sa 35.6 hectare development by Megaworld, so feel free to message us and we're more than happy to guide you on your next investment. So again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser. Together with me is
Serena Ginto, your broker coordinator manager.
So see you on our next vlog. So stay tuned for more updates. So don't forget to click and subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you soon. Bye for now.